Hello, thank you for visiting YummyTakeouts.com. In this video, we're going to show you how your customers will be able to order food through our service. If you use our service, Yummy Takeouts will provide you with a template website. Right now, you're looking at the template. This is the template website for May's Restaurant. As one of the options, your customers will now be able to order directly online. Once your customer click on the order online link, it will direct them to put in their name and phone number information. They will also be able to choose a delivery option or not delivery. If the customer decides to put in the delivery option, it will ask them to put in their address. Currently, the address system is set up so the customer would not be able to put in a fake address. So for example, right now let's put in a fake street. Okay. Notice how we are unable to locate the address. This is because the website automatically checks if the street is located within a specific distance from your restaurant. So even if it's a legitimate street, it would have to be within a certain radial distance from your restaurant. So to continue our order, now let's put in a real address. Okay, now that we have logged in, the interface for your customer is extremely simple. You can pick the category at the top. See, as we click on each category, it is changing. The dish at the right side will correspond with the category you pick. Your customer will be able to order by clicking on any of the dishes. The option for each dish is also very customizable, so you, as the restaurant owner, will be able to add extra options yourself as you see fit. So right now for this dish, for example, it only has one option, but you can anytime go in and keep adding more options as you see fit. So now let's try to order appetizer platter B, for example, under the appetizer section. And notice how we click on the appetizer platter, and now we can pick option to remove some items while adding some extra something else. These are the type of options you will be able to add directly into the menu. Okay, now let's now order an example of a combination dish, a more complicated dish, by ordering the dinner special. Okay, let's say that you want some General Tso's chicken. And from here, your customer will be able to pick different types of combinations of rice or lo mein or appetizer. So you just saw previously an example of how to remove an item with the appetizer and switch the item. But in this example, what happened is we have a combination plate. So they, instead of removing and adding item, you are choosing different combinations. So you can do a lot with the different type of options you can add into each dish. We would also be able to choose the quantity right here. So for this dish, let's say we want 2 orders of it. As you can see, everything your customer order will show up on a list on the left side. See, right here, you order, it shows up on the left side. They will be able to add or subtract from this list very easily. You see this little X right here? It means they can delete it. And when they're done, they simply have to click on the checkout button, and then it will bring them to a checkout page. At the checkout page, it will once again provide them the detail of their order. Notice this very interesting line at the top. It provides them a link to save. I've noticed that most people, probably including you, order the same thing over and over again. So I provide your customers a link to an order. So all they have to do is save this link and bookmark it. Next time they just have to click on the link and the same order comes back out. It's as easy as clicking on a link. And this makes a really big difference when your customer can either click on a link to go to your restaurant or have to order at a different restaurant. At that instant, they will most likely pick you. So at this point, the ordering is completed. So the right after the order has been sent, it is now being verified by Google. And once Google has verified the order, the credit card, it will send you, the restaurant, the order information. So right now, let's switch to what the restaurant will see. So right here, as you can see, as soon as the credit card goes through, the restaurant owner will see the order coming in on their monitor. When a new order come in, you will see this red row. It just shows up. You can see it right now, the red row, indicating that your attention is required. Your browser will also automatically start playing some notification sound. You might be able to hear it right now, but yeah, you will be able to hear some kind of sound to tell you that, hey, there's an order coming. At this point, you simply have to press the enter key to print out the order. And voila, the order comes. It is that easy. Notice how the red bar is now gone. This means that you have looked at the order and verified it. And at this point, your order will print out. You can also go and check out this order by clicking on the order. The order right now is in Chinese view. Although the customer has ordered in English, the website automatically does an immediate translation to the language of her choice. So the restaurant owner can view the order in their own native language. Of course, you can always change this back to English by simply changing the view option right here. See, it is now English. From this view right here, you will also be able to print out another copy of the order. At the top, order, you see, you can click on either the chef or the regular printing. So when you print out to a chef, they want to view it maybe a little bit more compact. And when you print out to the receipt, it has more information regarding to the pricing. Also notice over here, you can look at the credit card information. It's like the order detail. By clicking on this, you will be able to see, you don't have the credit card information, but you would have like the address and stuff like that. So there are also many other options inside the manager view, such as refund. Right here we have a refund button. So there are a lot of other things that I will show you in the manager view, but this is beyond the scope of current video. I will in the next video show you a more thorough job of what the manager view does. So if you're interested, please watch our next video. And this will conclude our demonstration. I am thanking you. Thank you so much for watching this. If you are interested to get more information, you can either call us or email us. The information is provided on the website. And if you want, you can try out our demo, like live demo, interactive demo online. And you will have to contact us and we will give you the password to how to do that. So thank you very much, and I hope to see you as our customer.